Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to separate audio from video in Capcut. So first, you just have to drag your video down here. Now, if you wanted to edit the audio of this specific video, like you want to edit it separately, what you're going to do here is you have to tap the video and you have to right click, then you should see the option extract audio. When you see that option, what to do is to click that one. That will separate the audio from the video. Once you have separated the audio from the video, you can edit the audio without affecting the video. If you want to remove something or if you want to add something, now you can do it. Or if you want to do some changes, you just have to click this audio right here. But as you can see, if I'm going to move the video, it will not follow, the audio will not follow. So how are we going to fix this? You just have to click both, right click, and then tap group. So whenever you drag this or put it wherever you want or trim or split, then it will follow everything. Now, if you wanted to ungroup this, then all you have to do is to right click again, look for ungroup, and then start editing again. But basically, that's how you separate a video or an audio from a video here in CapCut. You just have to look at the extract option and then feel free to edit the audio without affecting your video. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next videos.